Here is a wonderful 2022 Nissan Altima. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, intermittent wipers, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.